Keep your hands right under your shoulders and raise your chest up while pushing through your hands. Keep your lower body relaxed and your pelvis in touch with the couch. Try looking up as high as you can and keep breathing normally. Do not hold your breath. For next progression, lock your hands behind your back and raise your chest up again as high as possible. Keep your lower body relaxed. Try looking up as you raise your chest up. For those who are not able to lock their hands behind, they can keep hands on their sides like this and raise the chest up without pushing the couch down with the hands.